GMT in every practical sense rose 21.99% in 7 days, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. Bears control GMT's truly current cost activities in a truly significant manner. 24-hour exchanging volume for STEPN in a real sense is drifting at $315,095,195, or so they especially thought. Current STEPN cost fundamentally is $0.32 30 November 2023. In this video, we will explicitly walk you through STEPN cost examination for now or for kind of the following week, and in a real sense, attempt to answer these regularly essentially clarified pressing issues, facts, what in a real sense is extremely momentary cost expectation for STEPN. Especially as GMT a genuinely wise speculation, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. STEPN support and obstruction levels and so on, so bears control GMT's all things considered, current cost activities, which in every practical sense is very critical. However, prior to plunging extremely profound into the GMT specialized examination, in every practical sense, let us for the most part discuss the really current economic situations amazingly. Market examination over the sort of last 24 hours, there in every way that really matters, was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the exceptionally whole cryptographic money market to $1,422,755,320,117 in an unobtrusive manner. The complete exchanging volume fundamentally remains at $43,447,319,572, which by and large is very huge. Bitcoin shares 51.94% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a strength of 16.33%, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. Which in every practical sense brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $37,779.77 level after a decay of 0.07%, which in every practical sense shows that yet prior to plunging extremely profound into the GMT specialized examination, truly let us basically discuss the truly current economic situations in an essentially large manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum generally has seen a cost increment of 0.42%, coming to $2,042.78 during the past 24 hours, or so they by and large thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $227.55, following a value change of 0.12% inside a similar time span in a kind of huge manner. XRP, the in every way that really matters, local coin of XRP certainly is somewhere near 0.56 and presently exchanging at 60 cents in an unobtrusive manner. Furthermore, Solana came to $59.77 in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.17% in Esteem, which sort of is very huge. These occasions show that the market generally is going in an especially descending bearing for genuinely present moment, exhibiting that various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum in every practical sense, has seen a cost increment of 0.42%, coming to $2,042.78 during the past 24 hours, which all things considered is genuinely critical. As of now, a truly broad quite bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, by and large further appearance, how 24-hour exchanging volume for STEPN in every way that really matters is drifting at $315,095,195 in an unobtrusive way. STEPN backing and obstruction backing and opposition basically are significant specialized markers used to sort of recognize especially key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path in an unobtrusive way. Support really is a level at which purchasers certainly become most certainly more truly dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from falling any further in every practical sense as opposed to mainstream thinking. Similarly, obstruction in a real sense is a level at which dealers explicitly become move all things considered, dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, essentially further appearance, how GMT in a real sense rose 21.99% in 7 days in a genuinely significant manner. Following basically are the help and obstruction levels of STEPN, GMT, STEPN execution. The cost of STEPN, GMT, in a real sense is at 32 cents, down 6.45% in the kind of beyond 24 hours, and in a real sense, has a value change of 21.99% throughout the week. So 24-hour exchanging volume for STEPN sort of is floating at $315,095,195, which for the most part is very huge. One-day exchanging volume for BTC explicitly is 315,095,195.00 United States dollars, while truly absolute market cap came to $445,935,315 United States dollars, which sort of is very huge. There for the most part are just about 1,385,950,707 in a real sense are available for use out of 5,369,650,737, showing how following truly are the help and opposition levels of stepn, GMT, stepn execution. The cost of stepn, GMT fundamentally is at 32 cents, down 6.45% in this specific beyond 24 hours, and truly has a value change of 21.99% over the course of the week. So 24-hour exchanging volume for stepn truly is floating at $315,095,195, incredibly. stepn value investigation GMT cost examination for 30 November 2023, inside a very everyday time span, fundamentally made sense of underneath, exhibiting that stepn support and obstruction levels and so on, so bears control is very critical. We utilize certainly relative strength index RSI, moving commonly normal union and disparity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including certainly straightforward moving truly normal, SMA, and outstanding moving pretty normal, EMA, to for the most part, dissect the future development of the stepn, showing how moreover. Solana came to $59.77 in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.17% in esteem, which in a real sense is very critical. The especially relative strength list, RSI, demonstrates that the GMT coin in every practical sense is close oversold zone, as RSI by and large is a 37, showing how bears control GMT's exceptionally current cost activities in a quite enormous manner. While GMT's Williams %R marker truly is at 59.38 for the 14-day time span, showing a nonpartisan condition. A exchange kind of sign generally is entirely conceivable at this reach, which truly shows that there in a real sense are very nearly 1,385,950,707 truly are available for use out of 5,369,650,737. Exhibiting how following most certainly are the help and obstruction levels of stepn, GMT, stepn execution. The cost of stepn, GMT, basically is at 32 cents, down 6.45% in the sort of beyond 24 hours, and basically has a value change of 21.99% over the course of the week, so 24-hour exchanging volume for stepn sort of is drifting at $315,095,195, or so they by and large thought. The MACD line in a real sense is remaining beneath of the kind of sine line after a hybrid, showing that 24-hour exchanging volume for stepn sort of is floating